Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how we can get picture-in-picture in YouTube application. We need an app to play video in picture-in-picture mode. The name of the app is X app. We will get this app in the App Store. First, go to the App Store on your iPhone. Click on the search bar and type for X app. X app. Now install the app. After installing the app, you need to go to the YouTube app. Then play the videos which you want to play in picture-in-picture mode. Now click on the share icon. Swipe right and click on more. Scroll down. Here below we can see two options, X video full screen and X video picture-in-picture. From here we have to click on X video full screen. Then click picture-in-picture bottom left corner of your screen. Our video is in picture-in-picture mode. Now you can customize if you want. You can now use any other apps while in picture-in-picture mode. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.